Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are okay by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. I am KM Jakaria Alom, Senior Teacher, Police Lines School and College, Bogura. Today, I am going to teach you on English first paper about the topic of the graph. Question number 10. Please look at the board and follow. This topic is very important for you. The graph is the short form of description about any fixed topic will be short by graph. Here is a graph on the board. Look at the following graph. It shows the comparative selling rates of 4 kinds of books in Ekushe Boi Mela 2013. Describe the graph in 150 words. You should highlight and summarize the information given in the graph. Really, it shows the comparative selling rates of 4 kinds of books or 5 kinds of books, etc. may be mentioned in the question. Here, 4 types of books are in the graph: science, novel, history, and poetry. Please follow. The graph shows us a comparative selling rates of 4 types of different books in the Ekushe Boi Mela 2013. Here we can see from the graph that 3000 science books were sold in the Mela. That means Boi Mela. As per novel, the number of this type of books sold in the Mela 2000 was over 4000, and it is the highest figure in the graph. Books on history sold in the Mela were over 2000 in numbers. Here, as to poetry by the graph, that means according to the graph, the number of books sold in the Mela was the lowest, and the number of this type of books was only 50. That means 500. Thus, we are clear that people love novel most, and so the selling of this kind of books topped in the list. Books on science were the second to sell. Here, books on history holds third position in selling rates, while poetry holds the last one. Here we have understood from the graph that the books on history was in the third position. Thus, the graph shows people's different interest about various subjects. As people are different, their choices are also different according to the above graph. Dear students, now I am going to teach you another graph about the choice of profession by different educated people. The graph below shows the choice of profession by different educated people. Here are various kinds of jobs are mentioned in the graph by percentage. The graph shows that how many people are engaged in different professions. we can see from the graph about the percentage of choice of profession of different educated people. It is found that only 10% educated people choose farming as their profession and 30% people choose business. But 68% educated people choose the government job. From the graph, we can see that only 5% people choose intellectual work. It is clear that most of the people choose the government job, and it is the highest choice of educated people, no doubt. On the other hand, the lowest percentage of educated people choose intellectual works, which is 5%. Actually, the graph gives us idea about profession of different people. Dear students, please look at the board again. Now I am going to discuss about the another graph. This graph is about literacy rate. The graph below shows the literacy rate of Bangladesh from 1995 to 2010. Now describe the graph in 150 words. You should highlight and summarize the information given in the graph. There are some informations are mentioned in the graph. Please follow carefully. The graph shows us about the literacy rate of Bangladesh from the year of 1995 to 2010. It gives us an optimistic picture. In the year of 1995, the literacy rate of Bangladesh was only 38.1%, which is mentioned in the graph. This is the picture of 1995. In the year of 1995, the literacy rate of Bangladesh was only 38.1%. It was no doubt a very poor percentage, but in 2000 it increased dramatically. It increased dramatically in the year of 2000. Its percentage was 56%. In 2001, its percentage was 47.9. In the year of 2003, the rate of literacy was 43.1%. However, we see the rays of hope in 2010. Please look at the board. In the year of 2010, the literacy rate rose 56.8. It was 30.7% more than the rate of the year of 2003. From the graph, it is clear that over 15 years, that means from 1995 to 2010, the literacy rate has increased 8.7%. We can see from the graph that the literacy rate of Bangladesh is increasing gradually. It is a very positive sign for the development of the country. Dear students, you will remember that all types of graphs or pie charts will collect from papers, magazines, and practical information. So, practice more and more to prepare yourself for the betterment of the examination. Now, practice some important graphs and charts carefully at home. On a graph on mobile phone users. 2. A graph on internet users. 3. A graph on population growth rate. 4. A graph about the people living in below poverty line. Number 5. A graph on favorite pastime. 6. A graph of a student about marks in different subjects. 7. A chart about the household daily activities. Here chart means pie chart. Number 8. A chart on family expenditures or a chart on family daily expenditures. Dear students, if you try more and more, I hope you will do better in the exam. Without preparing well, you will be unable to make your answer fruitfully. So, I want to say you must have to try heart and soul for the betterment of your examination. My dear students, now I am going to teach you about another question. The question number 6, marks 5. Matching sentence. There are 3 columns in the question to match and to make a meaningful sentence. It is very important for you to make meaningful sentence. There are 3 columns. Number 1, about punctuality. Column A, question number A, punctuality is a virtue. B, it helps. C, a punctual. D, he who. E, if we become. Column B, number 1, person is. 2, which can make us. 3, punctual we shall. 4, is punctual never. 5, us to become. Column C, accurate in timing. 2, loved by all. 3, surely succeed in life. 4, successful in future. 5, gets late in his work. Your answer will be alphabetical way. By following alphabetical way, you must match the sentence. Number A, equal to A plus 2 plus 1. B plus 5 plus 4. C plus 1 plus 2. D plus 4 plus 5. E plus 3 plus 3. You should remember that after making such system, you must write your complete answer from column A, B and C. That means complete sentence will be written in the script. Question number 2, A, column A, man, speech and friendship. C, we. D, education. E, man himself. B, on B, 2, should be. 3, makes. 4, earns. 5, that means one sentence will be double. Column C, necessary to live in the world. 2. Aware of our duties and rights. Aware of our duties and rights. Duties means responsibilities. 3. Respectful to others. 4. His livelihood. 5. Human being. Your answer will be number 1 A plus 4 plus 4, B plus 4, B plus 1 plus 1, C plus 2 plus 2, D plus 3 plus 5, E plus 2 plus 3. That means should be will be double. In the number of 5, should be will come. Dear students, at first you will make the alphabetical system. Next, column A, column B and column C will be added in correct way. You must remember your answer will be written completely. My dear students, I hope you will try heart and soul for your better preparation. We have given you a syllabus from our school. There are 3 exams prescribed in the syllabus: first term, pre-test and test. You must study minutely from first term to pre-test along with test. A student who studies regularly and punctually must succeed in the exam, no doubt. You will try more and more for your fruitful result. Thank you.